Namaskar. Yes, Joseph Paulin, District Magistrate, Ukhrul District, Manipur. Well, ever since the national lockdown was enforced, the district administration has been enforcing this very strictly. And the District Disaster Management Authority Act 2005, which is invoked, we are holding frequent meetings under this. We have set up the district control room, rapid response team, then district surveillance teams, and the medical team has been actively undergoing various screening tests at various locations, especially the bordering villages bordering Myanmar.
The good news is that we don't have any positive case of COVID-19 in our district. We have spread the awareness campaign up to the ASHA level. So at the district right now, it is an ongoing process that we are spreading the awareness regarding how to wear PPE for the staff. At the PHC level, that is primary health center level, we have our MO in charge stationed there with a team of medical staff. They are also well trained regarding the store items for our isolation and critical care unit. We have ventilator, 2 in number with us. Apart from that, we have also infrared thermometer where all the screening is done with that at various screening points.
Then we have formed coordination team with frontal organizations, especially under the PEX organization, Bangkul Nagalong, and the sister organization, CSOs, to sensitize the people. The major responsibility of the district administration during the lockdown was to ensure the availability of essential commodities.
We are bringing in regularly from Imphal and from neighboring state. There is no shortage of essential commodities in the district, and there is no need to go for panic buying. And for price rise also, we are monitoring it on a weekly basis so that price is not hiked unnecessarily.
And also to make sure that the groceries, the vegetables, the milk, the spices and the daily essentials are available in the district. And I'm also happy to say that the village quarantining system has been very, very effective. The villagers themselves know about the sensitivity of this pandemic, and they themselves take up the village quarantining efforts very seriously. The village borders are being sealed. Villagers are not allowed to go out. Neither visitors are allowed inside the villages. So in that way, they kept themselves very secure, and they are always sensitive. I also appreciate the exemplary work of the local MLAs who are here, who are present, and augmenting the efforts of the district administration on a daily basis. They are responsible for making sure that essential commodities are available in the district from the state level.
Right now, we have been receiving enough supply from the state. We have support from our Honorable MP also. He has provided us PPE and gloves, and then mask and many items related to this COVID-19. Apart from that, we have received many store items from our local MLA also. I should say the medical staffs are very much motivated because of all this support that we are getting from all walk of life.
We have also set up quarantine facilities in the government schools and the community halls, and then also the isolation facilities in the district hospital, in the CHC, in the primary health sub-centers. And we have furnished some essentials like bed sheets and then the beds. Then we have also made repairing of the functional toilets, and as per requirement, we will also construct new toilets under the Swachh Bharat Mission fund. So far, social distancing has been strictly maintained by the people. People are wearing face masks, and there's rampant use of hand sanitizers. No church service has been held, no social gathering, and religious gatherings, Even marriages have been told to be postponed, and they are cooperating. In the district, the Tangkhul Students Union have already collected the data of students and people who are outside the district and who are likely to come back into the district after the lockdown is relaxed. In fact, much ahead of the instruction given by the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, our local MLAs, aided by the local clubs, have already taken up this initiative to identify people who are likely to come back to the district. Therefore, we will ensure to follow the standard operating procedure, and no people, especially those coming from hotspot cities and areas outside the district, will not be allowed to come back straight to their homes or to their village without following the standard protocol of quarantining, institutional quarantining for 14 days, and with the undertaking that they will undergo another 14 days of home quarantine. While restrictions on the interstate movement are likely to be slightly relaxed after May 3, we are prepared to set up community quarantine centers in each of the assembly constituency under the initiative of the honorable MLAs, who will be supported by medical department and the local clubs.
The district police would also like to thank all the volunteers and the organization who have come out to help and cheer the district police from time to time. Till lockdown ends on the 3rd of May, I appeal to one and all to continue to abide by all the regulation of the government.
Lastly, I would like to appeal to the general public to strictly follow the new normal. That is, we should get used to life with these restrictions and follow the standard protocol prescribed by the government from time to time. And with that cooperation from the public, I'm sure the district will be able to battle this COVID-19 disease and come out successfully. Thank you.